red-billed quelea. They're the most numerous bird in the world. In all, more than 1 billion live here in the Kalahari. No one knows quite how, but they seem to have an extraordinary ability to locate the fall of rain and then instantly exploit the bonanza that follows. These nomads now have just 5 weeks to find food, build a nest and raise a brood. But they're not alone. The rains have also created a plague. These are armoured ground crickets, giant insects with voracious appetites for meat. With the quelea parents away feeding, their chicks are defenceless.